Hello, welcome back to the Chatterbox. In this video, we're going to tackle big words. We're going to help your kiddos learn how to say big words, or as I call them, grown-up words, okay? This time we're going to work on a grown-up word because kids love to try anything that grown-ups do. They want to be just like us, okay? So I use that to help get them motivated and give them incentive to try those really big words. Their goals for speech might look like multi-syllabic words. That's what we call it, multi-syllabic words. So we want them producing 2, 3, 4 syllable words. Usually 2 come in pretty easily, like sandwich, hot dog, baseball. Those words come in pretty quickly and easily. It's more the 3 and 4 syllable words that get tricky. It takes more memory, it takes a lot more coordination, there's a lot more sounds. And so what I do, I have a couple methods. In this video, I'll show you the first one. Again, I go back to a song. This actually is a song I didn't learn until high school, but a lot of kids usually learn it when they're really, really little. And that's, do you remember the head, shoulders, knees, and toes song? So we'll go over it. It goes head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and I'm going ahead and touching my knees and toes. You can't see it in the video, but I think if I stand up, you lose the top half of me. So that song, I use just the first part, the head, shoulders, knees and toes for the 3 and 4 syllable words. So I have the kids do that song with me. We do a little bit slower, the head, shoulders, knees and toes, touch your toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, touch your toes, okay? And then we try some really big grown-up words. One might be computer. So how do we say computer? Com-pu-ter. And we break it up. And with each syllable, each part of the word, we touch our head, our shoulders, our knees, or our toes. So it's distracting the child from thinking about all those sounds that they have trouble saying and that coordination, and giving them something else to do with their body. And then we're chunking it so the word's smaller and they can say those smaller pieces, whether it's just a consonant vowel or a consonant vowel consonant, like computer. Good, let's do it again. Computer, and we can blend it together. Computer, good. Let's try another word. Let's try library. Try it again. Library. That's a little trickier with all those R's. How about potato? Let's do it again. Head, shoulders, knees. Potato. I'll tap my knees so you can hear that I'm doing that. How about tomato? Tomato. Or a big word lately, a lot of us are spending a lot of time in our neighborhood. Let's try it again. Neighborhood. Good. Now let's try it a little quicker. Neighborhood. There you go. That's how we get 3 syllables. Now we'll use our toes for 4 syllable words like kindergarten. All the way down to your toes. Did you get them? Try it again. Kindergarten, all the way down to our toes, okay? Or, let's see, dictionary, all right? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Okay, if I do stretch to 5, I add my hips in there. So I do like, let's see, refrigerator. So I add my hips, and then I go to my knees, and then I go to my toes for refrigerator. All right, so that's a little tricky. I'll try standing up and see if it works a little better. Let's see. Okay, so we have head, shoulders, knees, and toes. So we can do, go back to everyone. Okay, that's how I add my hips, but normally I do it just my knees. Everyone. Okay, everyone. Good. Now let's try principal. Okay, do it again. Principal. And that's what I do with the kids in my speech session. I'd actually have us all stand up if we're working on bigger words like that so we can really use our body and try and get all those parts of that word in there. So I'll leave you with that. I'll make a list of words for you to practice at home. Try and make them words that the kids would use, like something, somewhere, everywhere, everything, everyone, gigantic, some big adjectives. Those are fun. And to motivate kids again, we're going to say we're going to use a grown-up word. So instead of saying just big, let's think of a grown-up word. How about huge? Can you think of another word, a big word? Gigantic. All right, let's try that. Gigantic. Wow. Okay. So again, like I said, I'll leave you a list of some of those words to try that out at home, and look out for the other video that'll show you a different trick. Leave you to chat.